Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming parts and laying out the template flat. This saves time and prevents mistakes. You should use 25-30mm lenses because they focus correctly for most phones. Once placed, they determine the viewer distance. Fold the cardboard along pre-scored lines, pressing sharp creases so edges align. Make sure the phone compartment measurements match your device width and thickness, and align lens centers with the phone screen center before gluing to secure the first critical assembly. Once the body is folded, you glue lenses into their circles, checking alignment by holding the phone up. Misaligned lenses cause blur, so adjust now. You then reinforce inner seams with tape or glue to prevent wobble during use, and add foam around the lens openings for comfort and light sealing. Next, attach Velcro tabs and the head strap so you can quickly insert and remove the phone. Make sure the strap tension holds the headset snug, but not tight. You finish by inserting the phone and launching a cardboard-compatible app. Calibrate by aligning the split-screen image with your eyes, adjusting lens spacing, or adding foam shims to refine focus. Make sure the phone stays centered. Off-center placement causes vignetting and double images. If the view is blurry, first recheck lens alignment and phone centering, then adjust app IPD or use slightly different lens spacing. If glare or light leaks persist, add foam or tape to seal gaps around the phone compartment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.